Yes, I da. I hope say Koye was here.
Nyamiadum.
Okay.
Nyamiadum. That one undoubtedly Koye.
Okay.
Say amanyo semni de na yembo abeni nwi a untimi nhume. Tina bibia no ya fati o say bekoso abode ruama. Si ayini etu ahinifo na te ehunu nyuma pa ye zede ye yama party ene o man Ghana. Ti yeguso.
Kakra. Ali Mohammed Shamsuddin, former Bono East NDC Regional Secretary. Ali, Bibia Boko de. Ishi ayache. And Rami who say Obebane Meniaje pa.
Devia Meteon Kapa. Out me come dear. Kampa.
Second and two. So, yes, I'm more than but if you say more, she no mamba.
Oh, yeah, things are in place. So, him say, some also more quite more fast for your money on my to baby yet. Because at the end of the day, no, money politicians in Nina Quepe. Because you don't prefer any solutions. Alternative.
Say build billionaires. And say biaba. You guys don't listen. The problem of you guys is that you don't listen.
Because the fact of the matter is that may believe in ideas. So what I say. Not only criticisms. You understand? You guys in the media will always want to try to create the impression as you say. Politicians ask say omonye sa omano na politicians so omano mu abasa ne asre na omotete ne se no meanwhile muka hu bi you understand sa mo nya akonya na mo kasa na Ghana you say mo mfa hwe mbatu table so o si yam build billionaires no kwan be na mfa so build omo fa wadwen bra
enti stop it
catch your friend say politician catch the politician no say
Jaisika no, one of the solution is that Jaisika corruption.
Good.
How many billions of Ghana citizens now auditor general say more politicians more ria? How many people are in court by the NDC so maybe Jessica? So when we talk to mama or the member all the buy so the abe it you may patch on say mu Jessica ria, especially your Koye games. Yes 13 all African games. Yama 2.2 billion. Okoye Jessica went to me a man number oh yeah. Areas and what's about 2.2 billion Ghana cedis bit me school dying agro. Actually 208 million Ghana cedis. Krachi East, Sabra America say, yes, say, Omo Aduane school for school feeding next week. Why real Cromuntimi no Aduane? Because Sikasem Enkoy. It is some of us, yet ya say ya, near can say a trim address the Enko yeso. Near catch him say, Ahana mo say no, Mon fexe, Ebini. Also, catch us a waste a high Ukumasi. Campaign na, Esa Mutianica, Muntianica, Neno, Akukwana Mimvambotum's Gangutia. Solution ya dia man say pay them so that
asema can say
ewura wo ho no betumi
asesa corruption na wo ka ho asema corruption na wo ka ho asema
yeah
there na moye to help the system to make sure say you be fight corruption because your krom hana ye de ura buy you understand the problem is the problem is that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say it shouldn't be business as usual. I scratch your back, you scratch my back. You understand? There be the only thing that can stop the corruption is that I scratch your back, you scratch my back. Because and no say aban bia ba 8 years obetwam. So what I say, minupa binum wo ho asebi o omofa kwan ba ku mienu so a ensem fata sebi I used to say, Omo de Omaya no sikasem afa amana ako kwan bone so. You understand? Sankrofo no, aban ba ye wa yen hihye no ntutu ya ye twe sankrofo na so. How many of the people in this country are supporting to speak? Then you see that politicians, they will come and sit down and say, we me party niba, enti yate no. Na party for ayeden agitwi no makwakọ akogu so na mo ayedi
so
mu
then
nkasa
then
na mo ayedi mu nkasa na mo ayedi mu nkasa
so in this
you don't talk mu nkasa
why na nkasa
mu nkasa
have you been listening to us so who has the power? The constitution gives the power to who?
To prosecute, to the attorney general.
And who supervises the attorney general to do the right thing? So obey prosecuting Crawford.
The attorney general is the more or less the counsel to the president. If
Good.
That's what you want.
Enti yetia. Na bi te say the auditor general de abai. Say emanfo edisika. Attorney general and prosecute you. Na attorney general enye ya. Na yetia bo na chi say onya wadwuma yi a. What wrong have we done as a media?
No, you have not.
And you have to criticize your work. Yeah, criticize your work. How many people na NDC buy? Prosecute you? How many from people, the oral? Successful prosecution.
How many people are in the process of prosecution?
You have 1 year, 4 months.
Some of the media, you understand. And some of the people in this country, maybe some of the people in this country are not helping matters at all. You understand? Because we
what's the issue to say?
But get to the point that akokwansoka ti yewo omanya yakoaba eyi omanya mum penimfo ani nim se president ayi no ono nko ntimi nya adwuma ntino Ghana mrama ho kwan se ode nipa fufo bi tototo bia no na nipa ye de watoto bia no a ye expect say the emra hye se fa oman ne kono odi oman ne beko enti se wo ye no anye ni yi na presenter te ni consul ni ma obeka che wo se de wo ye no wo anye ni ye wo baby wo no mo betimi a prefer solution but oral ni attorney general say me e dey solution na media e betumi aka
me make sure say ko use article 24 na ko use
it no what have you done and then why
meba oh na wo make
because you are even you are even putting that in ade no mu twetwe ade no you understand no na what e ka say ora kwa de man kan ho asem
yes because you haven't done the right we need to meba so you think that I should come and sit here and praise you on oral which your attorney general has even said ogusua or ye hwaduma kra and I should praise you on what
was even described as garbage
or described as garbage.
The issue
so
is that
how do you expect it to be
praised? They are there now about bonte. So what you say? Aka processes, legal processes,
and those processes you have no idea about them.
I want to be about bonte into one. So what you say? Are there now oral the about bonte? No,
they are not the buy.
Asumasi or bente, ya some allegations. So I say. You understand?
It was for the court.
So what you say? Ya asumasi say why say. You understand? No krano. It should tell you say akukwa. It should tell you say, huh? Yenya amanyo semu free.
I'm making sure say.
Party ni sempe. No ba be gina.
Let me answer him. Your own attorney general, Agnes Impiesu Kachere say. He believed that this case there obetumi achieve success in the case. It obobo cases, high profile cases be a ODH. You said this in the process, and you are asking me to praise the attorney general. On what ground should I praise him?
Because
member na baso saying, ebetumi awie se obekọ court na court ka chense nipa na ade na ba no onye boni bia.
Yes.
So the case must conclude. Attorney general winning 100 cases. Out of ABA, what meba? Wait. 110 or the coy. No matter success rate near day, high. Attorney General body homebody. But over catch them say, as you may see a disika, where you say, my fan is allegation. I can't support yes. And when you now say chrono, what ye so what I say, and I make a job says, chrono never idea, collectively.
so I say
now me system
of
share discussion I think by be on them no but me read the message way I would say or person say a discussion if you want to be praised, do your work well. Philip Abochi was Ghanaians experience humiliation under South Africa citizens, and now they are back from South Africa. These xenophobic attacks in South Africa are totally unacceptable. Mazi Digita, good morning. And then Golden Boy Anas will say the opposition party MPP, they are shocked due to the LGBTQ bill now. Okay. Also the Nediaba. And Amankwa Fufi, him say, no would do at him. By the meeting kind. Amankwa Abotre. Politicians, they will do much here. It's about what goes for them. Bra, yen shas ye chichi. Na yen she now ensure